Good morning, grade 3. Open your book on page 33. Number 3. In a parking of 600 places, there are 286 cars in the first basement and 275 cars in the second basement. What is the total number of cars in the parking? In this parking, I have 600 places for the cars. In the first basement, 286 cars are already parked. And in the second basement, 275 cars are already parked. They are asking me about the total number of cars in the parking. How to know the total number of cars? I have to add the number of cars in the first basement to the number of cars in the second basement. So my equation will be 286 plus 275. Okay, the ones under the ones, the tens under the tens, and the hundreds under the hundreds. 6 plus 5, 6 on my mind and 5 on my fingers, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I write 1 down, give 1 to the tens. 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 7, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Write 6 down and give 1 to the hundreds. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 561 cars. In the number 4, you have to set up and perform on your copybook. I have here an addition with regrouping of 3 numbers. 253 plus 27 plus 389. Like before, I just set up 253, 227 plus 27 plus 389. I put the ones under the ones, the tens under the tens, and the hundreds under the hundreds. 3 plus 7, 10. 10 plus 9, 19. I put 9 down and give 1 to the tens. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 8, 16. I write 6 down and give 1 to the hundreds. Now 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 669. Okay, the second one. I have 9 plus 126 plus 508. I set up, but when I set up, I put the 100 under the 100, the tens under the tens, and the ones under the ones, and I start with the ones, of course. Look at the 9. I put 9 with the ones. I don't put it with the tens, neither with the hundreds. Okay. 9 plus 6, 15. 15 plus 8, put 15 in your mind and count 8 on your fingers. 15 in my mind, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. I write 3 down and I give 1 to the tens. Now I add 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 0, 4. 1 plus 5, 6, 643. So it's 643. Now I have subtraction. 723 minus 315. I set up. 3 minus 5, I cannot do it because 3 is smaller than 5. So I cross 2, replace it by 1 and give 1 to 3, 13. 13 minus 5, okay. Put 13 in your mind and count backwards until you reach 5. 13 in my mind, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Okay, I write 8. Now I replace 2 by 1, and 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. 7 minus 3, put 7 in your mind, count backwards until you reach 3. 7 in your mind, count 3 backwards, 7 in my mind, 6, 5, 4, 408. Now another subtraction, 648 minus 93, the ones under the ones, the tens under the tens. Okay, 8 minus 3, put 8 in your mind, go backwards 3 digits. 8 in my mind, 7, 6, 5. 4 minus 9, 4 is smaller than 9, I cannot do it. I cross the 100, 6, replace it by 5, and 4 is 14 now. 14 minus 9, I put 14 in my mind and go backwards 9 digits. 14 in my mind, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. It's 5. And 5 will remain 555. Okay, for the number 6, it's time for mental calculation. I divided into 2, so I can explain it better. Observe the example. I have to go from 37 to 100. Do you remember the number line from grade 2? Okay, to go from 30, where is 37 first? There is 37. I have to go from 37 to 100. First, I have to pass through 40, then from 40 to 50, from 50 to 60, from 60 to 70, from 70 to 80, from 80 to 90, and then from 90 to 100. From 37 to 40, I have a 3. Okay, if you don't know how to read it, just put 37 in your mind. 38, 39, 40. Count your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 3. From 40 to 50, I have 10. From 50 to 60, I have another 10. From 60 to 70, I have the third 10. From 70 to 80, I have the fourth 10. From 80 to 90, I have the fifth 10. And from 90 to 100, I have 10. So in total, from 37 to 100, I have 6 tens and 3 ones. So it's 63. Okay, that's what they did. Look at them. 37 in yellow, this box in yellow. 37 plus 3 equals 40, and 40 plus 60 equals 100 in general. In total, from 37 to 100, I have 60 plus 3, 63. Okay, grade 3. We will do the same here. I just put in case the number line if you want to use it. 46 to 100. The nearest tens to 46 is 50 just after it, okay? 50. So from 46 to 50, I have 4. And from 50 to 100, I have 50. So it's 50 plus 4, 54. Let's do it on the number 9 to be able to understand it better. 46 is here. I have to go from 46 to 100. Look, from 46 to 50, I have 4. And from 50 to 60, I have 10. From 60 to 70, I have 10. From 70 to 80, I have 10. From 80 to 90, I have 10. And from 90 to 100, I have 10. So it's 5 tens and 4 ones, 54. 72. From 72 to 100, look at 72 here. Okay? From 72, the nearest 10 is 80 to 80. I have 8. And from 8 to 90, I have 10. From 90 to 100, I have another 10. In total, it's 2 tens plus 8 ones. It's 28. Please copy all of that on your book and your copybook. Have a good day.